Today we're going to replace the carbon filter on the Ideal H2O 600 and 1200 gallon per day reverse osmosis systems. First of all, make sure your feed line is turned off, and we're going to take the filter wrench that's included in your system and go ahead and slowly untighten that from the body of the unit. Going to go ahead and set your system down. I'm going to empty out the water. And make sure you hold on to the O-ring too. Sometimes when you're dumping that out, that'll fall down. It actually needs to sit and seat itself inside or on top of the housing here, and that prevents any leaks from the housing. Now we're going to take our old carbon filter out, and we're going to put our new one in, and then now we can just screw it back onto the housing or the main body of the system. Hand tighten this. Do not use your filter wrench, you'll over tighten it, and you should be good to go.